Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max and you're trying to find where the alarm fuse is located. You actually have up to 4 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover each one of those. Now, you have 3 fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max and we'll explain where they're located as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get them from. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, let's explain what we have specifically here, guys. I'm going to go ahead, open the hood on that Ford C-Max, and the main fuse box is actually located under the hood. If you come here on that right side, that's on the driver's side right here, but it's not there, guys. The alarm fuses are in the second fuse box that is located inside the vehicle, actually. Inside the vehicle. So let me go ahead and find something to point with. So we can show you where they're located. So if we come now right here under the glove box, let me just position everything here. So you can see right here, you can see where the fuses are located. That's your fuse box, that's the body control module, guys. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse 59. So if you come on the very left side, even if you're missing a fuse, you're going to count it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 59. You can see a number next to it in the top right corner. That's the fuse, 5M fuse, right there. After that, we have another fuse that we need to check. It's fuse number 70, the second row. It's that fuse right here, 20M fuse, number 70. The third fuse that we need to check is fuse number 83. It's in the top right corner, guys. The top right corner, the second fuse. The one right there, that one. And the last fuse, guys, that we need to check is fuse 66, which will be the second fuse, 20M fuse, in the second row, right there. That's the fuse, guys. The second fuse, right there. So those are the 4 fuses for the alarm. Now, if you still have problems, we have videos about the alarm module and all that stuff. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.